Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your own photo into a Funko Pop figure using Google Gemini brand new feature powered by Nano Banana. It's super easy and take just a few steps, and the results will look awesome. So let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini like this on your phone like this, and if you are not already logged in, sign in with your Google account. This is important because you will need access to newest image tool. And once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also just go to tools icon, this one, and then just tap on create images. This is the newest update from Google that lets you edit photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. It can be a selfie or portrait or even a picture of your friend. And make sure the photo is clear so Gemini can capture the details. And then just tap on plus button, this one, and gallery, and then just choose your photo. Next, it's time to write the magic prompt. Before, I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy this exactly or feel free to play around with the wording to match your styles. I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And once you're done, just hit generate. And okay, like this. You have got yourself a Funko Pop figure, and how cute is that? Honestly, I'm impressed. The big head, the cartoon eyes, and the toy-like details. It looks exactly like a real Funko Pop. You can save this image and then share it with your friend. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super fun. And then just try this out. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.